Great day, great day, great day. It's your boy again, Joaquin Smith. I'm a navigator, difference maker, prospector, cultivator. I'm the best in the world at what I do. I don't know about you, but I can only speak for me. Let me ask you a question. I was thinking about something, and what I was thinking about was this. It's amazing how we can have vehicles and things that we travel in, and man, we clean them things and we clean them things inside and out. The wheels shining, the rims clean. I mean, you got the wheel wells done, and man, I mean, that thing looking good. Even your house, man, you get in there, you cleaning that thing, and we're supposed to do those things. But I got a question. Because the very thing that we should clean, that we need to clean, we don't clean. And that's our mind. You're like, we can clean our mind? Yes. You can clean your mind. It's a process, but it can be done. If you think about all the things that you've heard and seen and dealt with in the years and years and years of you being on this earth, and how much stuff has piled up that you haven't dealt with or discarded, I'm gonna say it like that. Because when you're cleaning up a car or a vehicle or your house, basically you're discarding it, the dirt. You're getting rid of the dirt. You're getting rid of, what is not causing it to be like it's supposed to be clean. Well, mine is the same way. We should want to clean or keep our mind healthy, whole, and authentic, which will empower us to be able to do things or to be in a place of peace, a place of joy, regardless of what's going on the outside. What I've learned is things or pressure on the outside pushes out what's on the inside. Let me say that again. Things and situations going on the outside pushes out what's on the inside of you. My question is, when those times happen, what is coming out of you? Is it all good? And if not, those things need to be taken care of. Those things need to be cleaned out. Is that possible? Of course it is. If your computer start acting crazy, what are you gonna do? You're gonna take it to somebody who can actually get it cleaned up, the hard drive and everything else, to where it functions like it's supposed to function. A lot of us are malfunctioning. Did I say that? Yeah. A lot of us are malfunctioning, and we think it's a part of who we are when it's not. It's not. It's not. And there's a lot going on that we see, and it's almost like we take that in or act as if that's a part of who we are when it's really not. If your car starts malfunctioning, what are you going to do? You're going to take it to somebody that you can get it fixed. Well, the same thing with us. We have to make sure that we guard our heart, which is our mind, the region of where we live from, where we do life from, that is good. And it's good all the time, even through the rough times, that is good. So, 2026, let's focus on that more. We can't change nobody but ourselves. That's all. That's all we can do. But that's a start. Loving yourself some you. I love myself some me. And it helps me be more focused on things that I need to do that's right. And the more you tell yourself that in a day, not just one time, but all the time. Tell yourself, I love myself some me. I'm going to tell you, the more you say that, you're going to see the change in yourself. You will see the change in yourself. Loving yourself some you. And it's a workout. What is it doing? It's working out all that other foolishness that is not you. The authentic you. The authentic you is designed to do things beyond what you've done before. I'll give you a prime example. We think that, okay, there's people out here make all this money and they've reached these elite levels in life. And if you watch them, what'll happen is the outside will push out whatever is on the inside, and what's on the inside is not good. Because we see the stupid stuff that they do. It's not good. Well, let's do both. Let's get out here. Let's live a good life. Let's have fun. But let's clean up the inside also. That we can live longer, live healthier, and enjoy this life. The choice is yours. The decision is yours. Because a lot of foolishness, a lot of crazy stuff will clog up your life, and you will not be your authentic self. Some of you think you are, but you're not. Because if your car start acting up, that's not the authentic car. That means something is wrong with it. So when you start acting up and you start acting out, that means something wrong with you. Because that's not how we were created. Let me say it like that, created. So 2026, let's really focus and dial in on loving yourself some you. I'm definitely going to dial in on loving myself some me. Hey, today is a great day. My name is Joaquin Smith. I'm a navigator, difference maker, cultivator, prospector. I'm the best in the world at what I do. Please share this with somebody, because my goal is to help as many people as I can. As many people as I can. And we all need to work out. We all need it. It's a continuous, it's a lifelong process, because I know the old me. And that person, I don't want running my life. But you have a blessed day.